If you can delay taking that last mouthful now, which in the moment is so hard to do, imagine this little bit here, we put it away for tomorrow, we could end up building a portfolio that looks more like the jug.
Totally. And imagine that, into the future, we could have as many beers as we want.
Sounds good, mate. If you think of it in terms of if you've got $10 and it earns 10%, at the end of the year you got $11. But next year when you earn 10% on the 11,
Correct.
you actually get more than that dollar increase over time. And that's the wonderful power of compounding and time.
Not at the earlier stages, is it? It's actually over time. And as it grows in value, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. And you're earning money on money.
And when it comes to property, it's a very, very powerful thing, because if we have that little bit that's left over and we put it into a property, and over time it grows. But not only in isolation does that property grow, but imagine if we tap into it so that we can buy a second property and a third property.
I can see it.
That power of compounding is just exponential.
Take that beer away from me now. I need that in my savings account.
You're not going to take that last mouthful?
No, I'm not.
Don't forget your friends when you're wealthy, mate, because the next beer's on you.